Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Not long ago, a friend of mine and myself, we accumulated a bunch of broken jewelry from somebody, and we decided that we would repurpose a lot of it and then donate it to the senior center and some other places locally. And I was able to get a bunch of stuff made, but I didn't have any clasps. So she went and got me some clasps, and now I've got to add them to all these pieces that I made. So there they all are. Everything's complete. We've got 2 pair of earrings and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 necklaces and a little anklet. And basically what we're doing is the local senior center, they like to have an event each year where they invite some of the ladies from the nursing homes to come, and they like to give them a little something. So we are donating some things for the ladies to wear and to take home with them so they can have them. But anyway, I'm excited about this. Let me know what you think. Have you ever donated anything, any of your creations to places? I would like to know where that is, because actually I like to look for places that are in need for something like this, where the people the recipients of these items would really enjoy them. Anyway, I hope you give me a thumbs up, and mostly I want you all to have a fantastically wonderful day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.